Hello everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore the one concept which is image versus computer vision. So when you check the activities, both are available in the UiPath. So let's move to back to studio. So when you see here, image means generally this is a one image. So if you want to extract the data from this particular image, so generally what we can use get text. Okay, let me we'll explore one by one get text. So when you check here, get text from OCR. So if you want to extract some data from the image, it might be the .png format or some other format. So if you want to extract that particular data, so this is the image. So I want to extract this data, so I want to use this OCR method. So with this help OCR, only we can extract this data. So when you check here OCR, so we can have the multiple OCRs like Omni OCRs are available and UiPath OCR are available. So we have the multiple different type of OCRs are there. So you can do, you can use any OCR method. It's fine. So just the main concept is, so whatever the data visible text here in the image, so it won't extract exactly. Sometimes what happen, it will extract only the couple of things and it might be mistake some portion of the text. So we'll check this one. So now I will, as of now, by default, it will come the UiPath screen was here. So let it be, and I'm just indicating this. So this is a one image. So I'm just indicating on this. Okay. Now whatever the data is there now, so I'm saving into the one text format, which is not I think, but as OCR text. Okay. So after that, I will give this one message box. So in this message box, I will just update as check. So let me keep breakpoint here and I'm running this automation. So we'll see how it will works. So the main agenda is I want to get the text. So that is the main agenda. So sometimes if you are using these kind of OCRs, our data will extract or sometimes it won't extract. So now this case we'll see whether it will extract or not. So if it is not extract, we need to use some alternate extractors. So now we'll see. Okay, let me check this variable what I given here. So OCR text. So when I give his, it got some data here. So when you look at this, so it's just some, it's a kind of array or it will store here. So if you see here, all the data is stored in the particular format. And sometimes already I told you, so it might be extract or not extract. It varies from screen to screen and some different criteria are available. So now if I want to extract this data from here, so it's very difficult to understand that. So when you see here, sometimes I will won't get multiple spaces here or might be some different kind of set of this available. So here only we got these computer visions. So when you see computer vision, it is a combination of AI and OCR. So it has include this OCR and it has some AI features. So when you see that computer visions in this here, so let me computer vision. So when you check here computer vision, so it has some set of the things here. So if you not if it is not available, so you can go to manage package and you can install that particular package. So it will available in our studio. Okay, now if you see here, so I have some set of the sequence are there. So right now, when you check this text, so it is in some string format. Again, I want to do some XYZ alternate on that. I need to check what type of the text is available there, and I need to do some lot of research on this. So when you go with the CV activities on the same screen, so let me show that as well. CV. So if you want to use any activities from this, so mandatory it should be the inside of the computer vision scope. So if you not use that computer vision scope, it will throw that error. So even we are not able to add anything. So if you check here, so I want to extract the data. So because it is available in the format of data structure. So when you check here, it is a full format of a structured way. So now I want to extract the same as it is structure. So when I use this normal OCR get OCR text, so I am not able to fetch the exact data. When I use these things, CV extraction data table outside of this. So it will throw this error. So description required activity is valid only the inside of it. I mean inside a CV screen scope. So this is a screen scope. So it should be mandatory available inside of the particular CV screen. If you kept outside, by default it will throw the error and it won't run. So let's keep it inside. And if you see here, indicate on the screen one. So go, this is my screen. So when I check here, so this is my screen. Just I indicated that and leave it. Okay, it will take some couple of seconds and it will roll. So if you have multiple screens, we can do that as well. So when I go the same thing here, it won't work. So there are some advanced features on available on the computer vision. So these are the main differences from the OCR get OCR text. Kind of nothing but as image. So this from this image. So these are the main things. So we need to observe. So in when you check here, both are having the OCR engine. So if you want to extract any data from the image, mandatory it should be one engine should be available. That engine is called OCR. In that OCR, we have the multiple OCRs. So just go to here and just type OCR. So when you check here, we can see these engines. So we have the cloud, Google Cloud Vision, Microsoft OCR. So if you have languages in the Japanese and Chinese or Korean, so we can use this OCR. So Omni OCR, Test Track OCR, UiPath Document OCR, UiPath Screens OCR. So most of the times I will use Omni OCR, and the next is UiPath Text Track, UiPath Screen OCR. So these are things I will use where most of the time, but very rare time I will go with some other OCRs. Now, main screen I have enabled. And next, so I want to give this CV extract data table. From where I want to extract, so I need to indicate that. So this is my table now. Let me go back. Okay, and it highlighted. So when you check here, it's targeted. So this is my target. So I'm just giving that. So by default, it will take an output I'm saving in one data table. So CV data table. And here I will put one message box. I will just put this message box, or else I will keep one more message box downside. Just for a references purpose, I will keep these two things. Okay, now I'm running. So in the same image, I applied the two different things. We'll see how it will show the output. So one is which is in the format of table, and another one is semi-structured. So again, we need to do some alternate things on it. So let me delete all this data. So not required as of now. So it will take some couple of seconds to export the continue everything the data. So initially, what it will do now, it will just read this structure of these things, and later it will move to the CV data table. From there, it will extract the data from here, and finally, it will save into the one data output variable. Element is not found. Okay, maybe let me stop this, and I will run at once. So when you're running this one, so you should not disturb this automation. If you change the screen, or if you move to some other screen, it might be throw this error. So that's why I run from end to end at once. Now we can check this CV data table. So when you check, I got this all the things in a data table format. So now I want to get this some name. Example, if you put a loop of the things, so it will come all the things. So now I want to get this rows dot counter. So we can use this one rows dot count. It will give this count of that particular table. So when I check downside also we extracted, no, we'll check that as well. So this is in the format of normal string. When you go downside one, so let it run this as well. So if you not activate this one, by default it will activate. So right now it's not activate, so I'm not doing the thing. So let it run. So it extracted, and we can check this OCR text. So which is in the format of this string. Okay, so later if you want, when you check this combination of these two datas, so we have the lot of differences. So when I check, so I have the data table. I can do anything on this from this. So when you see here OCR text, this is normal thing. So again, I need to convert. I need to do some lot of the stuff on it. So this is a main differences when you check computer vision and the normal image. So in the normal image, I mean I perform the both the things. One is a normal OCR and another one is the computer vision OCR. So this is the main differences. You need to understand this one, and at the same time, you need to know how it will work both the things exactly. So when you see this image format, so in the same image format, I perform the two different activities. So the first activity which I perform is get OCR text from the image. So it will give the image in the format of string. Sometimes it will give this array as well based on the things when I go to computer vision. So basically, it has some artificial intelligence program is has been designed by defaultly. No, not purely. So it's a kind of that. So we can extract the data table and we can do some alternate activities on that. So when it will use means as of now, I show you in my desktop. So when you are working on these some servers, so we have the some remote desktop connections are there. So if you want to perform some activities on the particular things, so when you go with normal activities like click, OCR, image click, so it won't work. So there we can use this kind of CV clicks. So kind of you can use that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.